So for our region we were selected, we had to go through trials and we have a tournament at the end, and basically all the players from different colleges in the area come together, trial for a team, and then we just further develop from that squad. Really good coaches there and good opportunities.
They supported us in going for the regional academy trials. They provided us with the link where we could sign up. They gave us an opportunity in training to ask for any questions that we could go to them for, any tips that they could give us to help our performance in the trials. And throughout the several trials that we did, they were able to coach and help us when we came to training on a Monday.
I think it's a great accomplishment for us both. It's a great experience with good coaches. You know, it's nice to be able to experience a different kind of coaching and level of playing netball.
I play netball for the College Netball Academy. I also play for 𝗬𝙗𝙗 Tower and Welsh colleges. Well, we had trials and stuff. I wasn't sure I was going to make it in because I was like first year, so it was the first year I was trialing. So Jo, my lecturer, had an email saying that I got in, so she rang me and I was very surprised but really excited.
Being able to play for the regional academy has allowed us to enhance our performance, and being able to play against the best players in Wales has helped us to come back to training in 𝗏𝗮𝙗𝗍𝙬 so that we can feed back any tips or strategies that we've learnt.
To represent the country is really amazing. It's a good achievement, so I'm really happy with it. It's really good. It does make me nervous though, but everyone's really lovely and everyone supports each other, so it's good. They're very high standards, so I think it pushes me a lot to try and keep up with them.
I've been able to play sport in 𝗏𝗮𝙗𝗍 whilst also being able to study in Neath, as there's buses being able to run us up to 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 to be able to play fixtures on a Wednesday, and our timetables have been changed for us to be able to play netball on a Monday morning and a Wednesday afternoon. The lecturers in Neath have been great, especially when playing netball. I've been able to leave lessons early to be able to go to fixtures, and on tournament days when we have to miss a day other than a Wednesday, they're able to film the lectures for me so that I can catch up on whatever I've missed.
Yeah, they helped me develop a netball point of view as well, because in netball we can always ask questions if we don't understand anything or like we need set plays or something, so it's always good.